It is a beautiful sunny day today. It is 34 degrees out. So I hope your Sunday is a great one. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Lunch today is 18 points. We always have a much larger meal on Sundays, and then Sunday nights it's way lighter. So 18 points for this, which basically leaves me 3 points for the rest of the day, but I do have my weeklies to dip into. So I always put my corn on my potatoes. So the corn is 0 points. The potatoes is a potato and a half for 3 points on the potatoes we get, which is the Johnson and Brothers, I think it is. And then we're having Swiss steak, that is round steak, and then a little bit of cream of mushroom. Jerry does this, and you just bake it for an hour and a half to 2 hours, just depends on how thick your round steaks are. And that is 4 points. And then the blueberry muffin is blueberry cheesecake muffin, Martha White mix, and that is 7 points. And then I have the Land O'Lakes light butter with canola oil. You get 2 tablespoons for 1 point, and I've used the butter on that stuff. So this is my 18-point lunch today, and I hope that your day has been a great one. Hey guys, my snack today is a 4-point snack. It is it's 28 grams of pretzels and a wedge of Laughing Cow Swiss cheese light for 1 point. So it is a 4-point snack. Hey guys, I am going to close this vlog out today. It was short and sweet. Sorry about that. Usually Sundays are a very relaxing, what we would call boring day, but relaxing day. So I just wanted to show you the blanket that I've been working on. I usually do this in the mornings, but again, it is the Stephen West blanket right here. And it is really not that difficult to do. I've got like 302 stitches on the size 7 needles. So the first color is already in there. So this is the first stripe. And now I'm starting to close it up. So I'm starting to, like on the white right there, I'm just starting to close it up, and then I will be adding the next color, which is on that is the red, but my next color is going to be this right here. And this is another yarnable. And so this is going to be color 2 of 8. And the gray is Oxford Gray. This was the first color right here, and when I put it in here, the front side, it's going to be hard to show, but you can see those little pops of color until it gets longer. But this is the back side, and of course it will have what we call floats in them right there. That is what the 3 stitches that you slip to give it that ridge right there. But anyways, I just wanted to hop on and say that I will be back Monday for another daily vlog on Weight Watchers, what I eat in a day, and anything else that goes on in my day. And I wanted to say thank you to all the new subscribers. And this Sunday, I am in a collab with a casserole with a bunch of other YouTubers. So as soon as that is getting closer, I'll remind everybody. But that will be an additional video that will come out on Sunday the 26th. So I hope that you will be able to watch that too. So, but anyways, I hope your Sunday's been a great Sunday, or whatever day or night that you are watching this. And I will chat with you guys on Monday. Hopefully your week will be a blessed week. And this is the first, Monday will be the first day of spring. So I hope that you are all having a great Sunday, and I will chat with you on Monday. Good night, my friends.